starting moves. The Senate, the House, passes up bills. All Medicaid will change. All Medicaid will change. Everybody will lose their Medicaid. People will lose their health insurance and everything. It's ridiculous. It's just absolutely ridiculous. They're going to hurt a lot of people. That bill passes. They're going to hurt a lot of people, including me on Medicaid. They're going to hurt people. They're going to hurt people. Take away their health care. Take away their health care. And when they want to go to the doctor, they won't have nothing to get. It's ridiculous. It's absolutely ridiculous. I hope they got to the senators come to the Republicans come to the Senate this morning to this $10 billion cut in Medicaid. It's ridiculous. It'll knock so many people on the ballpark. It's not that. It's just absolute waste of money. So far, it's been voted no. You can't take people's health insurance now. They already got it. You can't take it away from them now. My brother suffered the same thing. We're both sick. That's not right. Not to have care. Hopefully it'll work. Hopefully it'll keep Medicaid going. And I'll keep my Medicaid, my insurance. I hope so. It's all lost without it. It's all lost without it. I don't have no way to pay the doctors. I don't have no way to pay the doctors. Serious business. Sad as human life. So I went to Dr. Smith. See if I could get my legs fixed. Took one foot a stent in one leg and a catheter in the other leg. Along my blood to flow my belly. Because that's what they were supposed to have done. Whether they did that or not, who knows? Find out when they go to the doctor. It's a Sunday and store goes. Let's hope they don't cut Medicaid $10 billion. It's a Sunday.